Topic is orthogonal spheres. I have already derived condition for two spheres to intersect orthogonally. Two spheres, they are in the standard form, to intersect orthogonally. What is the condition? 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. This is the condition for two spheres to intersect orthogonally. When do you say that two spheres are orthogonal? Two spheres are orthogonal if the angle between the two spheres is 90 degree. Then how to define angle between the two spheres? Angle between the two spheres is defined as angle between the tangent planes at their point of intersection. And if two spheres are orthogonal, then the radii at their point of contact or point of intersection are perpendicular to the tangents. Therefore, at the point of intersection, these radii are perpendicular. Using this, we have derived condition for two spheres to intersect orthogonally. Now see the types of problems from this topic. First, for 2 marks, short answer questions. First, take this problem. Show that the spheres x square plus y square plus z square, 6y plus 2z plus 8 is equal to 0, and two spheres, and x square plus y square plus z square plus 6x 8y plus 4z plus 20 is equal to 0 to intersect orthogonally, or show that two spheres are orthogonal. Two spheres are orthogonal. For 2 marks, you can expect this type of problem. What is the procedure? First, we compare these two equations with the standard equation. We compare the equation with two standard equations. In the derivation, we have taken these two as equation of the spheres. So we compare the equation 1 with this, 2 with second one, and write down u, v, w. So comparing with the standard equations, u1 is 0 because see there is no x term. Coefficient of x is 2u1, that is 0, and v1 is 2v1 is 6 here, v1 is 3, and w1 is 1, d1 is 8, and u2 is, what is u2? 3, v2 4, w2 2, d2 is 20. I think this step is clear for all of you. How to write u1, v1, w1, u2, v2, w2, d1, d2. You have to compare the equations with these two equations, standard equations. Therefore, consider 2u1, u2 plus 2v1, v2 plus 2w1, w2 is equal to 2u1, u2 is 0 because u1 is 0. 2v1, v2 is 2 into 3 into 4 plus 2 into 1 into 2. Calculate. Is it 28? 4 plus 2, 6 plus 12. 2 into 3 plus 4 into 2. Okay. 8 plus 6, 14. Correct that. 2u1, u2. 2v1, v2. What is 2v1, v2? 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 3 into 4 it is. Into 4 plus 2 into 1 into 2. 24. See, this is 24 plus 4, 28 is equal to d1 plus d2. Because what is d1 plus d2? 8 plus 20. So the condition is satisfied. 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2, 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. The condition of orthogonality is satisfied. Therefore, the two spheres are orthogonal. Two spheres are orthogonal. Solution is clear, no? You have to apply the condition of orthogonality, that's all. Second, this type of problem say find k if the spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x plus ky plus 2z plus 6 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y minus 2z plus 6 is equal to 0 are orthogonal. This is also a standard example it is. You can expect this type of examples from this topic. There are 2 marks problems. Find k so that the two spheres are orthogonal. Again, first step is we compare with this equation, second with the second standard equation, and write down u1 v1 w1 u2 v2 w2. What is u1? u1 is 2 because here 2 u1 is 4, u1 is 2. What is v2? v1? v1 is k by 2, w1 is 1, d1 is 6. For now, how to write u1 v1 w1? Similarly, u2 means coefficient of x here. What is coefficient of x? 2. Therefore, u2 is 1. v2 is minus 2. What is v2? Coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 2v2. 2v2 is minus 4. Therefore, what is v2? Minus 2. w2 is minus 1 and d2 is 6. d1 is 6, d2 is also 6. We have 2u1 u2 plus 2v1 v2 plus 2w1 w2 is equal to d1 plus d2. This is the condition for two spheres to intersect orthogonally. This is the condition. Now apply here condition, you will get value of k. So 2 into 2 into u2 is 1 plus 2 into k by 2 into minus 2 plus plus 2w1. What is w1? Just a minute. Alarm is ringing here. Okay. Yes. Yes, it is recording. Now, what I have to do here? 2 u1 u2, 2 v1 v2. Am I correct here? v1 v2 plus 2 w1 w2. 2, what is w1? w1 is 1, w2 minus 1 is equal to d1 plus d2. d1 plus d2. Therefore, 4 minus 2. 2 minus 2k is equal to 12. Therefore, 2k is minus 10, k is equal to minus 5. Verify again. Value of k is minus 5. Problem was simple. In the condition of orthogonality, you have to use only substitution. It is therefore a only substitution here. One more problem. Show that the spheres x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 11 is equal to 0, minus 6z plus 11 and x square y square z square minus x minus y 8z plus 7 is equal to 0 are orthogonal. Cut orthogonal. I leave this as exercise. One more. Show that the sphere x square plus y square plus z square 7x plus 10y minus 5z plus 12 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x 6y plus 4 is equal to 0 are orthogonal. You try these examples. They are substitution type problems. One more, find k on that type of problem. Find k so that the spheres x square plus y square plus z square 7x plus ky minus 5z plus 12 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0 are orthogonal. Find the value of k so that they are orthogonal. These are some 2 marks problem. Now I take one 5 marks problem. Problem is, take this. Find the equation of the sphere through the points 0, 3, 0 and minus 2, minus 1, minus 4 and cuts the spheres two spheres are given here, x square plus y square plus z square plus 6 minus 3z minus 2 is equal to 0 and 2 into x square plus y square plus z square plus 6 plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 orthogonally. Say, in the last video I left this as incomplete. I have taken, instead of 2 into x square plus y square plus z square, I have taken only x square plus y square plus z square. But we cannot say that problem is wrong. Problem is right, but we will get the values of UVW as a fractions. So you can make this 2 into x square plus y square plus z square, or as it is you solve that one and continue and we can verify the answer. Now here see the procedure. We assume that general equation of the sphere is the required equation. So we have to find out u, v, w and d. Therefore required equation be x square plus y square plus z square 2ux vy wz plus d is equal to 0. Take this as 1. This as 1. It is a 5 marks problem and a standard problem it is. Substitute 0, 3, 0 because sphere passes through 0, 3, 0. Then you will get 0, 9, 0, 0 plus 6v plus 0 plus d is equal to 0. So what you get? 6v plus d plus 9 is equal to 0. 6v plus d plus 9 is equal to 0. Take this as, I take this as 2, okay, 2, 3 and this as 4 because we require this 2, 3 also. 2, 3. Now this is the first equation 4 that involves u, v, w and d and we have to solve that equation. Next substitute minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. What do you get? 4 plus 1 plus 16 minus 4u minus 2v minus 8w plus d is equal to 0. Therefore minus 4u minus 2v minus 8w plus d plus 21 is equal to 0. This is 5. Minus 4u minus 2v minus 8w plus d plus 21 is 0. And next we use 1 and 2 are orthogonal. Now we use condition of orthogonality. For that we take this as u1 v1 w1 and this as u2 v2 w2 because two standard pairs intersect orthogonally. Take u1 is u, v1 is v, w1 is w, d1 is d and u2 is, you have to compare this with second equation, half V2 is 0, W2 is minus 3 by 2, D2 is minus 2. Therefore 2 U into half, because U1 is U plus 2V into V2 is 0 plus 2W, W2 is minus 3 by 2 is equal to D1 is D, D1 is D minus 2. Simplify this. U minus 3W minus D plus 2 is equal to 0. This is 6. Verify this. U minus 3W minus D plus 2 is 0. Similarly, 1 and 3 are orthogonal. 1 and 3 are orthogonal. Therefore, 2U into, say, now this U2 you have to compare this with the second equation. Before that, you have to divide by 2 here, because while solving any problem on spheres, equation of the sphere must be in the standard form. What do you mean by standard form? Standard form means the coefficient of x square and y square z square must be 1. So we divide by 2 here, x square plus y square plus z square plus 1 upon 2x, 3 by 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So U2 is here 1 by 4, V2 is 3 by 4, W2 is 0 because there is no z term, D2 is plus 2. As in this case, you have to apply condition of orthogonality. 2U into 1 by 4 plus 2V into 3 by 4 plus 0 is equal to D plus 2. Or we get multiply by 4, 2U, yes, multiply by 2. What do you get? Multiply by 2, because 2 cancels, 2 cancels. We multiply by 2, you will get U plus 6V minus D minus 2 is equal to 0. This is 7. Verify this. U plus 6V, is it 6V? No, U plus 3V, U plus 3V minus D, U plus 3V minus 2D, because we have multiplied by 2 here, multiplied by 2, U plus 3V minus 2D minus 4 is equal to 0. Am I correct? U plus 3V minus 2D minus 4 is 0. Now, the next thing is from 4, 5, 6, 7, you have to find out UV, W and D. UV, W and D. But this equation involves only D and V. We substitute value of D as minus 6V minus 9 in 5, 6, 7. So we can easily eliminate D from the 4 equations. So put D is equal to minus 6V minus 9 in 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. What do you get? Minus 4U minus 2V minus 8W minus 6V minus 9, minus 6V minus 9, because D is minus 6V minus 9, plus 21 is 0. Therefore, minus 4U minus 8V minus 8W plus 12, is it 12 is equal to 0. Am I correct here? Minus 4U minus 8V minus 8W plus 12 is 0. Take this as 8 and put D is equal to minus 6V minus 9 in 5, then 6 in 6. What do you get? U minus 3W minus, therefore plus 6V plus 9 is equal to 0, or U plus 6V minus 3W plus 9 is equal to 0. This is 9. Okay, am I correct here? U plus 6v minus 3w plus 9 plus 9. What is that? Already 2 is there. In 6, u minus 3w minus d 6v plus 9 plus 2 is there, plus 2. Therefore 11 is equal to 0. This is 9. And from 7, u plus 3v minus, then it will plus 12v plus 18 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore u plus 15v plus 14 is equal to 0. Now you concentrate on these equations 8, 9 and 10. You concentrate on these equations 8, 9 and 10. 8, 9 and 10. From this we eliminate u here. Correct? We eliminate u. So finally we will get only equations in v and w. So we eliminate u. For that, take 9 minus 10. What does 9 minus 10 gives? Or 10 minus 9 I take. 10 minus 9 gives 15 minus 6, 9v plus 3w plus 3 is equal to 0. 9v, 3w plus 3. Or 3v plus w plus 1 is equal to 0. This is 11. Then from these two we have eliminated. Eliminate u from 8 and 10. 8 and 10 or 8 and 9. So we divide this equation by minus 4. This equation by minus 4. Then what you get? U plus 2v plus 2w minus 3 is 0. See, equation 8 is same as u plus, or can I divide by 4 only? Divide only by 4, you will get minus u minus 2v minus 2w plus 3 is 0. This is 8 now. Now we consider 8 and plus 9. 8 plus 9 gives 4v minus 5w plus 14 is equal to 0. Correct? 4v minus 5w plus 14 is 0. This is 12. So we came across this 11 and 12 which are equations in v and w. Solve this, you will get v and w. To solve, I eliminate w. For that, multiply this by 5. What do you get? 15v, 5w plus 5 is 0. 4v minus 5w plus 14 is 0. Adding 19v plus 19 is equal to 0. V is minus 1. Correct? Value of v is minus 1. Now you have to find out that w from these two first. One of the equations. I choose 11. From 11, w is minus 3v minus 1. Therefore, it is 2 because plus 3 minus 1. W is 2. Yes, it is 2. Then u can be obtained from one of this 8, 9 or 10. I choose 9. From 9, VWR over u is minus 6v plus 3w minus 11. Minus 6v is plus 6. 3w is 6. Minus 11, therefore 1. So u is plus 1. Am I correct? U is plus 1. Yes. Then W, how do you find out W? W is obtained from this equation 4. Equation 4. from D. W is already obtained. V, U, W are obtained. D. From 4, D is equal to minus 6V minus 9. Minus 6V means plus 6 minus 9. It is minus 3. D is minus 3. So all the 4 UV, W, D constants are obtained from 1. Substituting in 1. Equation of this sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux. What is u? 1 plus 2x 2vy minus 2y 2wz 4z minus 3 is 0. This is the equation. 2x minus 2y plus 4z minus 3 is 0. So this type of problem is important. For 5 marks you can expect this type of problem. What is the procedure? I think all of you followed this solution. Go through again. We assume the required equation as general equation of the sphere. So it is required to find out u, v, w and d. For that 4 conditions, using 4 conditions, we will get 4 equations in u, v, w and d. From that we have obtained u, v, w and d. Now one exercise. Find the equation of the sphere passing through the circle x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus y minus 3z minus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 5z plus 7 is equal to 0. What is the question? Find the equation of the sphere passing through this circle. It represents a circle. Sphere and plane taken together always represent a circle. Find the equation of the sphere passing through this circle and cutting orthogonally sphere and cutting orthogonally the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 7x minus 3y 5z minus 6 is 0. You try this as exercise. Answer is 2 into x square plus y square plus z square plus 6 8y plus 9z plus 19 is equal to 0. You try this as exercise. Procedure. What is the procedure? Required sphere is this equation plus k times x plus 2y 5z plus 7 is 0. Then write down its center and radius. You will get in terms of k. To find k, that resulting sphere, center of that sphere, and you have to write down u1 v1 w1 u2 v2 w2 and apply condition of orthogonality to find out k. You will get k. What is the procedure? Required equation is plus k times this equal to 0. Take this as 1, this as 2. Use 1 and 2 orthogonal. What is u1? 2 plus k into x is 2u. You know how to write down 2u, 2v, 2w. From that, obtain u1, v1, w1, u2, v2, w2, d1, d2 and apply condition of orthogonality. You will get value of k and substitute. That becomes the equation. Answer is provided here. You try this. If any difficulty, you can ask at any time. Okay. Thank you.